Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Wanakam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, today's video is another special video because today I'm going to go to my sister's place. So thank you so much for everybody who's been showering a lot of love to my sister, my brother-in-law and Appa and Amma. Thank you so much for all your love. Let's go and meet my sister and also do some fun activities. So without any further ado, let's get started. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Alright guys, so as you see, I am with my elder sister. Firstly, I'm extremely sorry about the loss, Appa.
Yeah, that's
And there are so many people who have been showering so much love to you and to Jiju. And also a lot of prayers to Amma and Appa. Thank you so much, you guys. Appa, Jiju, myself, my entire family is really grateful and thankful to all you guys. Now, to cheer up your mood, I'm sorry I didn't want to talk about this, but there were so many people who have been sending so much love to the entire family.
Thank you, everyone.
So now to cheer up your mood, let's do some sheet meet with me. So I have some amazing sheet masks by Mama Earth. Ta-da-ta-da! So I have like good 8 different variants of sheet mask by Mama Earth, and let me tell you guys that these are India's first bamboo based sheet masks. These are very much environmental friendly because these are the bamboo sheet masks. And let me quickly tell you guys the variants.
Your favorite.
So we have a cocoa sheet mask,
My favorite.
rose water sheet mask, which is good for glowing skin, and cocoa, you guys know it is good for awakening skin because it has coffee and choco.
Seema's favorite.
So Seema's favorite, she's really fond of turmeric, saffron and all of those. So we have Upton, and this is very good for skin brightening. You guys know that I love the Upton range.
Me too.
And then we have the retinol, which is good for fine lines, wrinkles and all of those.
Your favorite.
The vitamin C, you guys know how much I love vitamin C. I cannot emphasize more on this. And vitamin C is very good for skin illumination. Then there is rice water. I have never tried any of the rice water products, and this is for deep hydration. I think I would be trying this sheet mask today. So let me quickly keep this one aside for me. Then we have hyaluronic sheet mask, and this is good for soft and plump skin. And then the last one that we have is niacinamide, which is good for clear and glowing skin. Which one would you like to try, Appa? I'm sure that would be the rose one.
Yeah.
Okay, so first, okay, I'll also do some dancing with my sheet mask. So I'll first talk about, I'm using rice water and you're using rose water. RW. So I'll talk about rice water first. This is very good for deep hydration, which has rice water and coconut milk. And let me tell you guys that all these sheet masks are bamboo sheet masks, and they suit all skin type. They are dermatologically tested, and they are paraben and silicone free. And so they have different serums in these sheet masks. Let me quickly tell you guys. And Appa, I also want to tell you, it has come up with Plant Goodness Initiative. Plant Goodness Initiative is every time you place an order on Mama Earth's website, they're going to link your order with a tree that they're going to plant, and its image and geological location is going to be shared to you through your mail ID.
So anyone who places order.
Unke naam pe they plant a tree.
That's awesome.
So I have also
so
placed,
cool.
yeah, actually I have also placed number of orders, and I'll show you the images that I received through mail. Let me quickly apply my sheet mask. Smells good. Smells more of coconut milk, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me also.
I'm really fond of the sheet mask. In fact, Anwar Jan and we do a lot of sheet masking in the nights. please ignore if I look scary, but I want to just spend some pamper session with my sister because
So I got used to this sheet mask because of Samira. I never knew about this. But when we were young, I think we were in college or something, she was the first one who got us introduced to this sheet mask. I think you got it from Kathiawar, right?
yeah.
And it was so fascinating to use.
Yeah, but by then we didn't know that, there are different variants and we
Yeah.
should be using something which is environmental friendly.
I'm using the rose water.
Can I smell?
It's awesome.
Oh, it smells amazing. It smells rose. And now that I know that these, and trust me guys, there is still a lot of serum which is left here, which I can apply, but I would want to show it to you guys. If you can see. Can you see the serum? So now that I have it on my hand, I would just apply it all over my face. So these are the new range that Mamaearth has launched. These are the bamboo sheet masks, as I have already told, which is very, very good. I'm so glad that, Mamaearth is coming up with such amazing products. And also you can buy all the Mamaearth products on Amazon, Nykaa, and also on their website, which is mamaearth.in. And also don't forget to use my coupon code, which is Samira2020 to avail 20% discount. Please ignore if I look scary. Okay, let me tell you guys about the rose water. So this has rose water and milk, and this is very good for glowing skin. So all you got to do is cleanse your face, apply this sheet mask and relax. After you remove, just need to do a gentle massage. So we've already cleansed our skin. So that is how we thought we should be applying some mask onto our face. Okay, so we'll let it sit for some time, and we'll see you guys post 15 minutes when the skin absorbs all the serum that we have on our sheet mask. So yeah, we'll see you guys in 15 minutes and have amazing chat time. Okay, so now that we're done with our 15 minutes, let's quickly remove the sheet mask and gently give our skin some massage. So whenever you do your massage, as a upwards and circular motion may you have to
I
do.
do watch your videos, Samira.
Thank you so much. Abba, I want to tell you that Mamaearth is goodness inside. Actually, not just goodness inside, but also goodness in its values. Okay, so all Mamaearth products are toxin free and they are made out of natural ingredients. And also Mamaearth is certified by PETA for being cruelty free. And Mamaearth is plastic positive, which means they recycle way more plastic than they use. Not to forget that Mamaearth is an Indian brand, and you guys know I love getting vocal for local. Again, let me quickly remind you guys that you can buy all Mamaearth products on Amazon, Nykaa, and also on their website, which is mamaearth.in. And don't forget to use my coupon code, which is
Samira 2020.
yes, to avail 20% discount. Yeah, the sheet meet with me was amazing. I've been wanting to pamper myself along with my sister. We've been missing this a lot, spending time. I wish my younger sister also was here with us, because we three sisters love to spend some quality time together. But she's busy taking care of Ira, and Ayan is asleep, so that's how I got Appa free for me. Else both the sisters are very busy taking care of their children. So yeah, now there are number of comments, number of questions that I keep receiving on a regular basis on my YouTube videos. So let's quickly shoot them onto Appa.
Okay.
Why is my Jiju a Hindu, or why is my Jiju a non-Muslim? Why is Ayan's name Ganesh? Why is Ayan's name Ayan Ganesh?
Because his dad name is Ganesh Jayaraman.
Okay, why is your husband Ganesh Jayaraman?
Because I fell in love with him.
Okay, so he's a non-Muslim.
Yeah, he's a Brahmin. He's a Pakka Tamil Brahmin.
Oh, so he's a Pakka Tamil Brahmin. So how did it happen, and why did you get married to a non-Muslim? Didn't you feel like you should be actually marrying a Muslim man and not a non-Muslim?
No, I mean I did not feel when I met him though. And as you know, he's a gentleman, and any girl would fall for him. So was I. And I always wanted a tall man. And because I'm short, I'm very short. So I wanted a tall person, and when I first met him, that was during our training. When I joined Deloitte, we had a 3 months training, and he was from Delhi, and he came down to Hyderabad for the training purpose for 3 months. And since we both joined together, I hardly met him. I didn't knew, but the last 1 month of the training, we were in the same class. And then he was sitting beside me. He was not sitting beside me. Beside me was Arjun.
Another colleague of yours.
Yeah, another colleague of me. You know Arjun, right?
I know.
So he was sitting beside me, and then it was Ganesh. So they were talking in Tamil. And they were making fun of the lecturer. And they were making all pranks in Tamil. They thought I don't know Tamil.
Thinking that you are not aware of the language.
Then I started laughing. Then they were like, "Do you know Tamil?" I said, "Yeah, I do understand because my dad is from
Tamil
Nadu, and he keep watching Tamil movies, so that's how I also know." Then they were like, "Pochida Sami." Then they started talking to me, and they did not start talking to me. Then they knew that I knew Tamil, so they were very cautious before talking. So one fine day, he asked me, "Do you know where do we get pearls? Good pearls?"
Also, indirectly, he was asking you for a date out.
Yeah, I didn't knew then. So I said, "Yeah, I know. I have my friends. I'll ask them to take us. I mean, take you out." It's like, "Yeah, that would be good if you can come along." I said, "Okay, fine," because for us it was all normal.
Yeah.
And we thought I didn't had any plan. As I have to go out with him. I thought, okay, casually he's asking like a friend. I thought, okay. And I thought, अकेले कहाँ जाऊँगी मैं इसके साथ? I'll ask one of my friend to come along करके. So he stays in Charminar. So Mahesh बोल के one of my friend, I told him that कि I have to take my friend. You come along and हम लोग को अच्छे shop में लेके जाना, because he's from Delhi. He wants to buy stuff for his family. And फिर okay बोल के he said he was sitting in Subway he was waiting for me at Subway, and as usual I made him wait for nearly 2 hours because I was sleeping, and then I woke up, I got ready, and bichara he was waiting for 2 hours there. He bought chocolate for me which got melted completely. And he said Subway वाला भी अभी बोल देता भैया अभी जाओ कितनी देर से आप वेट कर रहे हो. Then I picked him up. Then we went to Charminar.
Did he buy pearls?
Yeah, he bought pearls.
He did.
Yeah, he bought pearls for his mom, his mommy. For Vaishu, he bought earrings. And then he bought. I like one set there, and I thought, मैं वैसे भी I don't wear it, but I liked it. I said, okay, ये खरीद लो तुम, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. I told him. He was like, okay, you sure you like this now? So, हाँ, it is very nice. You buy for your sister. It is very nice. So he said, okay, बोल के he bought that and he marked that one. So
नहीं mix हो जाना.
हाँ. So while coming back home, he's a very good singer. So while coming back home, Mahesh went back to his home from there. Then I said, okay, I'll drop him बोल के. Then he asked me, यहाँ से टैंकबंद कितना दूर है? I've never been there. So I said, ठीक है, जाते समय रास्ते में we can touch and then go. So I said, okay, we'll go like this. So I took via Tangband. Then he said, do you like songs? And I said, of course, I like songs. कौन होता है जिसको who doesn't like songs? Then all the way he was singing songs, continuous non-stop, all Hindi songs. Then I dropped him. Then he gave me that pearl. And then I said, why did you buy for me? Then he said, no, it's just a gesture from my side. Then I said, no, it's very expensive. I don't want to take. Then he said, no, please, I'll feel bad if you don't take. You liked it so much. So I feel you deserve this. You take it. I said, okay, fine. I took it. Then I went back home.
So how did it from Charminar to Ayan? How did that happen? How did the love?
I got to know that he fell in love with me the moment he saw.
In the class?
Yeah. Okay. And I fell in love with his voice even before seeing him, because on first day of our welcome to Deloitte, there was one person, I was sitting way behind because I went late. So there was one person who was singing Gulabi Aankhein.
Oh, it was Jiju.
Yeah, I didn't knew that was him. So one person was singing Gulabi Aankhein. I was so mesmerized with that voice. And I told my friend, "Pa, इसका आवाज कितना अच्छा है रे. शादी करे तो ऐसे इंसान से शादी करना." And then I got to know it was him on, I think on my last day when I told my friends that I like him. अच्छा जैसे बोला तुमने वैसे ही प्लान करके उसको पटा लिया. So then I got to know, oh, is this the person? Then I asked him,
was it you who sang
that
song?
Gulabi Aankhein? He said, yeah. तुझे पता था ना पहले से ही. No, I swear I didn't knew that it was you. And Ganesh also, he fell in love with me, and we spoke a lot about our families, and we got connected instantly. And we thought
So you guys never had this fear that you're a Muslim and Jiju is a Tamil Brahmin, of course, who speaks Hindi.
Yeah.
Didn't you guys have this fear if you guys get married, future mein, when you'll have babies, you know, their upbringing might affect and all that. Didn't you guys ever feel that?
No. To be frank, when I first told you, you gave me a big lecture. Ki Appa, see, love can be infatuation. You can love someone, you can break up, and you can fall in love with someone. It happens at this age. But then once you're marrying him, you cannot leave him and marry someone else. There should be n number of reasons before leaving a person. So take a wise step. This is what you told me. And I was like, no, Samira, I'm sure. Definitely I would thank Vaishu, your friend, for supporting me always. And Gauri Mama, my Ganesh Mama. When I first went to Delhi, he spoke to me. He asked Ganesh to do walking. I want to speak to her separately. And he spoke to me with his heart open. And he told, life is not very easy to marry someone of other religion. I mean, in same religion, different caste
is different, and
you would have a lot of differences. But complete religion, you would have a lot more differences. There would be a point where you might feel that he's not respecting your religion, and he might feel that I'm not respecting his religion. And there would be a point where you have to adapt his culture for his family. Being his family, his mom, dad were little orthodox. So he told me how is his family and all, and he said that you have to start life from scratch when you're marrying him.
Yeah.
And he told me their financial status, how they are, how's Amma, how's Appa, and how difficult life would be if I marry him.
Alhamdulillah, you're happy now. That is what is important.
He told me, I mean, think twice. You really want to marry him? No doubt he's a very good person. I can say you will never get a better person than him. But you sure you want to marry him, right? Because I don't want my son to suffer later on. I don't want you to leave him and go. I said, no, Mama, I'll never leave him. And I know there would be chances where I have to choose my family or his family. I would definitely choose him. And I know that day will not come because he would accept my family.
Yeah.
And I'm glad I fought with everyone. I mean, fought with everyone in the sense, people who said this will not work out. I stood on my word. I married him. And I'll always be thankful to Appa for letting this happen. If he wouldn't have accepted, things wouldn't have happened. And due to few differences, we thought our relationship will not work out. But Appa was the one who called me and said, my son never asked me anything. Since childhood, he never asked me anything. The only thing he asked me was you. And I want you to marry him. I can see his happiness only after marrying you. After he marrying you. So don't leave him. That's how we all connected back. And finally I got married to him in Delhi. And we are happy. We moved. I was there for 1.5 years with Appa, Amma, everyone. And then we bought flat here in Hyderabad. And I and Ganesh moved to Hyderabad. We got settled. We were happy. We started everything. We bought stuff. And I had my family who accepted everything, of course. And I still remember the day on my birthday, I think. Not on my birthday. I think when we were going back to Delhi from Hyderabad, Samira, Seema, my mom, dad, everyone shot a video saying that how nice is Ganesh. That he did not hang around with me, he just married me within a month.
As I always keep telling, my Jiju is a gentleman and he's the best one that my family could get, at least as an elder son-in-law. I cannot imagine anyone else in place of my Jiju. Keeping the religion aside, it has nothing to do with human and humanity. He's the best that the family or Appa could get ever in our lives.
Oh yeah, I would like to say that he never disrespects my religion. Rather, during Ramzan, he wakes me up and he makes sure that I eat proper food. And then he says me, Sumi, namaz pada karo, ye kara karo. And even when my mom is offering prayer, he makes sure that Ayan doesn't make sound. And he's a thorough gentleman. And I'm glad I married him.
Yes, we love you, Jiju. If you're watching this video, we love you. And this was such a fun sheet meet with me. The best thing that I could do with my sister. So if you guys are also wanting to spend some time with your sisters or your best friends, or you want to speak your heart out, I think this is the best way that you can do. Start with pampering yourself, spend some time, start talking, speak your heart out.
You can just go back and think what all happened in our life.
And you can just feel very light-weighted. You can feel very comfortable. And you'll be happy after that. I mean, you'll have something, aaj ke din mein I have spent some quality time with my people. That is what I feel. That is what I think Appa feels right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do let me know if you guys enjoy such personal talks and personal videos of me or my sisters. I would love to share them with you guys.
There's what all happened in our lives.
Seriously, I mean, it was a big roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
From the first class of Deloitte, Gulabi Aankhein, say today tak. You guys know the recent incidents as well. I mean, it's a big roller coaster ride that they've been riding since 2013.
Yeah.
2013. Yeah. So I think I'll end this vlog right here. I didn't want to make this video very, very long. And do let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested in such personal talks and stuff. And also tag your friends, share this video to your friends or your family, your sisters and people who you are close to, and tell them you need to sheet meet with them. So that's about this video. We'll see you guys soon in our next video. Until we'll see you next. Lots of love.